So hello everyone, I'm Zohan, Abehair consultant and Chief Information Officer from Abehair. So today I'm in my office. As you see here is right here behind above me right here is a lot of products ready to ship to our customers. So okay, recently we find out that a lot of customers complain about the hair quality. So in particular, it is 613 products. So they say that the quality of the hair is not good enough, so that they can or in another word, the hair is easily to get dry, so that leads to the shedding and detangling. So today I would like to make a video to introduce to you about the 613. How do you define which products are good, and how can you can do it with the product 603. Okay, so the 603 considered is good enough. It have to do something with the raw material. So if the raw material is good, you can bleach to the highest color. It is 603. So here you can see it's our virgin hair, 100 Vietnamese raw virgin hair. So you can see it's very uniform in the color. The hair strand is absolutely strong. So that we can bleach to this one. It's absolutely amazing, right? The color very uniform as well, and you can see here, right? The color also very fresh, and about the hair strength, it's also very healthy, right? You see here. All right, and also we have a lot of type of hair. This is Remy 603. So the Remy hair here, the color I can show you here. The color is also very uniform. However, the highest color, compared to this one, it can be a little bit less lighter than the first one. Okay, so the thing we are talking about here is that you want to find a very good supplier in the 603. The 603 products here are very famous and very popular in the Europe countries. You can use this for a lot of purpose. You can dye, you can directly make it into the hair customer, and you can also make the tip, make the tip in everything else you want. So after all, it's very useful and very popular. You have to find a good supplier so that you can gain the customer trust and loyalty. So yes, we are Abehair. We are very confident about our products. We absolutely amazing, absolutely care about the raw material in order to make 613. And yes, I think this is for today. You are now understand more about the 613 color products. And okay, in the next video I would like to introduce to you about the non-Remy hair and Remy hair. You will gain a lot of knowledge about it. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, as there are a lot of interesting video more and more. So see you in the next time. Bye bye.